Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and I hope you all had a really amazing week which has just passed by. And in this week, right, it was a little bit of what I can say. Maybe you go back in time, you get a chance to sort of go back in time and experience certain things. Sometimes good, sometimes not so good, something which you don't want to feel it again. And I realized one thing is maybe somebody who has again been into this situation, where you have already felt certain type of loss or pain or some trauma, okay, you can name it, and you have gone through the situation where you felt, okay, this is it, maybe I don't know how I'll come out of it or whatever. And then eventually you found yourself, somewhat out from that situation, not exactly, but yes, you got used to it, you can say that way. There was a time where somebody had just said this thing, and it's like, many times we also say to people who are maybe suffering at any level or at any situation where you want to console them, and you say, just give it a time, everything will be fine, you will be fine, and all that stuff. The thing is, sometimes with pain or trauma or whatever that however you describe the hurt in you or the hurt that you have felt, it is not that with time it goes. This is the reality. I think that it doesn't go with time. It is just that, with time your heart, your mind first accepts. Your mind is like, it's quite logical, it accepts, okay, this is it, this is the reality. But the you're feeling the loss, you're feeling the pain, you're feeling whatever it is more because probably your heart has not accepted the reality, right? But over a period of time, if you're continuously waking up to the reality every day, over a period of time, your heart also start accepting the fact that this is what it is. So it's not that with time the pain reduces, it is probably with time we are getting used to it. We are getting uh, we are accepting the reality the way it is, and probably it is the general, it has now become generalized that, along with time, people forget anything. It can be mostly, time healing is associated with the bad things that happen with you, and that's why they always say, give it a time, give it a time. So probably giving time to anything that is hurting you is probably, uh, you are trying to, give that time to your heart, to yourself, to accept the reality. It is not that with time the pain has gone, with time the trauma has got healed or something. It is there, probably it is gonna be there lifelong sometimes, because it is a reality that something like this has been happened and has gone, or you have gone through certain amount of issues. They are always going to be there throughout your life. Only thing is that, with the each passing day that you're getting used to it, you're accepting the reality. And over a period of time, it so happens that people then come up with the whole saying, with time they must have forgotten, with time this must have happened, with time he or she must have forgotten, or whatever, forgotten, healed. Uh, they say, time is the biggest healer. So it's probably might be a healer, I'm not sure. But if you go back, try to even mentally take yourself back to the time where something had hurt you, something had drastically changed in your life, you feel the same pain you felt probably at that particular instance when it had actually happened. So the only thing now the time has done it has made, you have got used to it. It has made you realize that this is it, this is the whole reality of the situation. You accept it and start living with it. So this is the realization I got, that time doesn't actually heal anything, it just makes you used to it. And when you get used to anything, it becomes ordinary, right? It doesn't become uh, it doesn't, even if it's a good thing, sometimes if you're too used to the good also, you start losing the importance of that good thing. It's probably that way, when you get used to the reality that so and so is the thingy, you somewhere subconsciously start probably even losing the whole bad or the hurtful thing that was associated with that instance. So yeah, this is another lesson that I have learned over past few days, that time is might be for some people, but I am think it is not the actual healer, and the actual healer is the fact that you are accepting the situation. Okay. So yeah, I'll leave you all with this for this week and have a great week ahead. Yeah? Bye bye.